Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best hot tub cleaners on Amazon. If you've noticed your hot tub is getting a little dirty, it may be time to look into getting the best jacuzzi tub cleaner. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. WaterTech Pool Blaster Max Li Pool. Pool Blaster has created a spa cleaner that uses 5D cell batteries, which allow this unit to run for 3 continuous hours. It works just like a household vacuum. Simply power it on and your tub will be clean in no time. It traps debris in a reusable filter that can simply be hosed off and reused. If you need this to clean deeper areas, you can simply attach it to any pool or broom pole, and you'll be able to reach any depths. The Max features a large debris capture chamber and strong suction for a variety of cleaning: acorns, twigs, leaves, dirt, and sand. Perfect for quick and easy cleaning in the swimming pool and hot tub or spa. No hoses or cords are needed. And the lithium-ion battery-powered Max is designed to run for up to 1 hour. Push-button operation. Attaches to any standard telescopic pool pole. What we like about it: reusable filter. No manual labor is required. Runs off batteries. Perfect for hot tub care. Can be used with hot tub cleaning products. Number 2. Pool Blaster Catfish Li Pool. If you need a top-rated spa cleaner that doesn't need to be plugged into a wall, Pool Blaster has a tool for you. The Catfish Li Pool and Spa Cleaner runs on a lithium battery that can be recharged in 4 hours. It can be used in water up to 9 inches, and the head can rotate up to a 45-degree angle. All you need to do is press the on-off button, and you're ready to start making your hot tub look like new. You'll also be able to use this for longer without having to buy replacement parts, as it comes with a reusable filter and 2 microfilters for fine cleaning. What we like about it: runs on a battery. Easy to use. Comes with extra filters. Perfect for hot tub water care. Can be used with hot tub cleaning products. Number 3. Pool Supply Town. The Jacuzzi Mini Jet Vacuum Cleaner is one of the most robust hot tub cleaning systems on the market. It uses a garden hose to create water pressure, which in turn cleans surfaces in your hot tub by using the Venturi effect. You can use this with any telescoping pole so you can get to the bottom. There is a collection bag where leaves and other large debris will gather. This creates an easy-to-clean system that requires little effort to assemble and use. It comes with a collapsible pole that is easy to screw together, as well as a debris net. Water pressure from your garden hose creates a Venturi effect inside this jet vacuum and produces strong suction in the vacuum head, drawing leaves and debris from the pool floor into the vacuum's mesh bag. What we like about it: easy to assemble and use. Low maintenance machine. Great value. No electric power is needed, package comes with an assembly. Number 4. Intex Handheld Rechargeable Vacuum. This is one of the most powerful spa vacuums. It uses a built-in NiMH rechargeable battery that can be recharged with the included USB cable. Intex has designed this with a 94-inch telescoping shaft, making the unit ideal for tubs up to 18 feet in diameter. The device has a built-in safety measure that will turn off the unit if it isn't submerged in water. There are also 2 included brush heads, so you don't have to stop midway through cleaning if one gets too dirty. What we like about it: long telescoping shaft. Lightweight. Effective even in large pools. Number 5. Pool Blaster Grit Getter. This spa cleaner does use batteries or a water hookup. Instead, it uses a siphon action to clean. You may think this won't clean as well as other options, but it can pick up everything from rocks, pennies, marbles, and even beach sand. There is a 7-foot aluminum telescopic pole that can reach into the middle with ease. And hand cleaner gets into any tight spaces you can reach in your swimming pool or spa. What we like about it: high suction power. No batteries or hookups are required. Long, extendable pole. Perfect for cleaning your hot tub. Make sure to use at least one a week. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.